Hi, you guys. This is Christina. Welcome to Canva with Christina. And today I'm gonna do an updated version of the casket panel inserts. I know a lot of people were still having questions on how to print them and what size to print them on. So we're gonna go to Walgreens.com. And when we get to the Walgreens, we're gonna simply go to photo home. One reason why I like Walgreens for most of my projects is because they always are running a sale. So we're going to go ahead and go to the posters and enlargements. And under posters and enlargements, we're simply going to click on posters. And we're going to do the paperboard because it's sturdier. It's like a foam board. If you want to do it yourself, you could always do the adhesive if you need a larger size. And what you would do is get the adhesive, peel off the back, and just simply apply it to regular foam board that you would get from, say, Staples or Dollar Tree or something like that. And that's if you need a larger size, like the 24 by 36. But doing the paperboard, we'll do the 20 by 30 because a basic casket panel size is 14 by 31.5. So the 30 will still fit comfortably into your casket insert. And as far as the 4 inches from the 14 to the 6 inches from the 14 to the 16, you can simply just cut that off with the X-Acto knife. Like I said, it's just basic foam board. Some funeral homes will do this for you and insert it when they do the body and everything. So you do just have to ask. A lot of funeral homes, they don't mind doing it. If they don't, like I said, you can simply cut it yourself with an X-Acto knife. And so we're going to go for the 31 by 30. I mean, the 20 by 30. I'm sorry, 20 by 30. And as you can see, it's $36.99. Again, they have a coupon, 60 print is 60% off. So you simply just go to create now. And as you can see, I already have some already. So this is your basic size. And you can use the same size for your welcome sign or any kind of picture signs that you also make for the funeral. But this is your basic casket panel size. You would switch the orientation to vertical, and then you would simply just upload it, review order, proceed to checkout. A lot of times it will say low resolution. I never really have a problem once I print it out. And I'll also show a picture of a live one that I have did so you can kind of get the gist of what it'll look like once it's finished. So we're just going to do order anyway, add to your cart. And remember, they have the 60 print coupon code. So that'll take it down to $14.80. And that's going to be your final price. So that's not bad for your casket panel. Or you, like I said, you could also do it for your welcome sign as well. And think if you are selling these or offering these as an add-on service to your obituary business, you could still charge the person, I would say, the $37 or $40 because you don't want to charge your customer $14.80 because what if they want it when the sale is not on? So that means you would be coming out of pocket for the additional cost. So I would just stick to say charging them the $40, and then if it is you do get a better deal, just a little bit extra that you're getting for it. But yeah, you would just literally proceed to your checkout, put in all of your information, select the store that you want it picked up at. And like I mentioned before, I sometimes do these for people that don't live in my area. So for that, I would say I would like a friend to pick up this order. I would put that information in for whoever's going to pick it up. Make sure you change the store to their location, and they shouldn't have any problem picking it up. Also, a thing about this is if you're doing that, they will pay at the time of pickup. You don't pay when you place the order. So when you make the order, they'll just ask you for a credit card or a card to put on file. They don't charge the card. And whoever comes and picks it up, they will then pay then. So that's also something to think about as well. You can also get these shipped. And as you can see, They have the economy shipping, $6.99, standard, expedited, rush. If this is for a business, make sure you always do one of the ones where it is tracked, just for your safety and also for theirs as well. But I hope this helps kind of clear up what type of poster you need to get and what size poster you need to get. If you do have any questions, just drop them in the link below. And like I said, I'll also attach a picture of what it will look like once it is fully completed. So again, thank you for joining Canva with Christina, and I'll see you guys in the next one.